Hello everybody. So today we're gonna co-wash my hair. So I got another Mo Nose hair product. You know, last time I tried the Mo Nose hair curl styling potion. Today I got the Mo Nose hair curl restoring treatment. Now this says it has quinoa protein, mangongo oil, and mango butter. So it says that with this you have to wash with curl hydrator shampoo, apply in sections and detangle. Process for 7 to 10 minutes with hair steamer, dryer, or conditioning cap. Rinse and apply curl primer or curl styling potion. I'm supposed to let this sit in my hair for 7 to 10 minutes. It says restore elasticity to strands for smooth, defined, moisturized curls. So I'm guessing this is just for hydrating, like a mask, and not like a co-wash where you have to wash your hair. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to shampoo my hair again because I already did that. But what I am going to do is I'm going to co-wash my hair. And then I'm going to, wash up whatever. Then I'm going to put this in my hair and put a shower cap on after I wash the co-wash out. So that's what I'm planning on going to do. Hopefully that still works. I'm going to have it in there for 7 to 10 minutes. This is what it looks like. I'm guessing it's going to be just as good as, I'm hoping, as the other product as we saw last time. That did amazing. So I'm going to do this. Then I'm going to let it sit. Then I'm going to do this. And then we're going to do this. So we'll see how it goes down. I am back. So my hair is co-washed, combed out, and everything just detangled. Now I'm going to get the curl restoring treatment. There's nothing in my hair. So we're just going to do this first. And use it as a mask. That's what I think it's for. Okay, I seriously don't know why that's all the way up there. It wasn't like that before. Okay. I split my hair in half because that's how I always do my hair, is in halves. So now we just rub some and then we spread it through the hair. And try and get through every part of my head. So now we're gonna get our hat. I have my blue beanie, and this is just to keep the heat in my hair with the moisture soaking. Alright, I'll show you guys the results of this afterwards. I'm necessarily going to do multiple trials on this unless there's like a serious update, because I will continue to use this if this does have good results after this one. So I was supposed to leave it in for 7 to 10 minutes. No, it's okay, I'll do a little bit over that. I'll do 15 minutes. It's been about 45 minutes. I had that on my head. Usually when I do masks or like a deep conditioning like that, I keep it in my hair for an hour. Sometimes I even fall asleep with it because I'm lazy and I'm like, you know what, it's fine, good moisture, you know what I mean? But this specifically says 7 to 10 minutes, so we're just gonna see what happens, if it's like extra good benefits, bad benefits, we don't know, we'll see. But yeah, it's been a while. Wow, it feels really warm, which it should from being underneath the hat and being wrapped up. Yeah, everything's staying in place by itself. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens when I wash it out. Okay, so I just put my microfiber towel on. I'm about to take it off because you can't have it on for too long. Otherwise it dries it out completely. Because it dries extremely fast. Okay. Okay. So I rinsed it out of my head over the tub as much as possible. I brushed it out, but I'm gonna brush it out again. Ooh, this feels really soft and really moisturized, like way more than using my regular conditioner or wash for this. Like, this is really good. Wow, it feels like I already put product in it, but like really light product. And like, not even that, like, you feel how easily I can run my fingers through my hair. Because usually it'll get caught in like the damaged hair. But it doesn't do that. It's so soft. Oh my gosh, wow. Literally, the only thing I think people are gonna have a problem with these products is that it smells like Axe. Or their skin might be sensitive to the smell or something like that. Other than that, so far these products have been doing really good at their job. I'm gonna moisturize my hair real quick. Just doing the usual. I'm not gonna put too much this time since it's already really moisturized. I don't want to oversaturate my hair with product. I'm putting in half of what I would usually put in my hair, just because my hair again is already so moisturized. It's so bouncy too. Ooh. So I scrunched everything. I put everything in my hair, half of what I usually use, and I'll show you guys results later. I did do this later in the night. What time is it right now? 8:21. So hopefully it doesn't get messed up or anything. One last thing I forgot to say. When I ran my fingers through my hair, right after I rinsed the mask out of my hair, it bounced back. Like when I ran my fingers through my hair, it bounced back. Usually when you finish co-washing your hair and you wash it out, it feels like you don't have any product in your hair anymore. You need to really moisturize it again. With this, it didn't feel like that. It still felt like it was moisturized. And when I ran my fingers through it, it bounced back. Usually it would just lay there, but it actually like went boing. I wish I could have showed you guys that. But it was really, yeah, but I forgot, I just put product in. But when you run your fingers through it, it bounced back and it felt really good, really soft. So can't wait to see the results. Hi, everybody. I just woke up. I'm a little stuffy, but my scarf came off my head at night, so my hair's a little bit messed up, but it's okay. It's still extremely soft. From where I put the mask on my head, it still feels very soft, especially in the back. And I keep saying, oh, it feels very soft, but like, no, seriously, like, you need to try this because it's so different. It's so different from other things that I used. Like, it actually does what it says beyond my expectations. So it makes the hair very shiny. Like, it's really bringing out the brown, the lighter brown parts that are still in my hair. And it really goes well with the fall, you know what I mean? But it looks so pretty. and it definitely has the elasticity, the bounce, you know what I mean, everything. And like I said, when I first washed it out of my hair and I ran my fingers through it, it said boing. Like, it really does restore the elasticity and make it more moisturized and everything. So I would highly recommend this. I would also highly recommend the styler as well. Like, these products are really good. I can't wait to try some more. Like, what? This might be the thing that saves my hair. Like, what the hell? I need to get my hair cut again. But anyways, update. So my scarf came off again this night, and that's a normal occurrence. Everyone will tell you that happens. And I have a satin pillow that I lay on, so it's fine. But the thing about a satin pillow is that sometimes it absorbs the moisture instead of like retaining it in your hair, you know what I mean? So sometimes after the second time of my scarf coming off and sleeping on just the satin pillow, I end up with my hair getting drier faster, so I have to oil it a little bit more. But with this mask, I didn't have to do that. Like, I keep saying that it's soft, but you guys have to try it. Like, seriously, it's no joke. It's no joke. It is seriously just like undescribably just does things to your hair. Even the damaged parts of my hair are still pretty soft compared to how it usually is. And the thing about that is that it has the damaged parts of my hair looking like it's not damaged, or that it's only a little bit damaged, you know what I mean? And that's crazy. Like, really think about that. That's crazy. So I suggest you guys try this. I highly recommend it. I mean, the only thing that you would have to get past is the axe smell. And I know for some people that might break them out if they put it on their face. Because I know for me, with the styler, it was fine. But with the mask, I was putting it through my hair and I got a little bit on my forehead right here. And it started to tingle a little bit. I was like, that's weird. But it didn't do any damage. But maybe for someone else who has more sensitive skin, it might. So I suggest, trying a little bit at a time. Maybe get a sample if they have samples, or buy it for somebody who needs it and then using some of it. You know what I mean? Just to make sure that it doesn't break you out. But other than that, it's a seriously good product, and it does wonders to your hair. And it just, in ways where you have to just try it yourself. And this is not an ad, I promise. Like, this is a genuine 100% try out. And I've never had a product that's done this type of stuff to my hair. I really haven't. So that's crazy. But see you guys again with another update. Hey guys, it's your boy. Anyways, so this is like the final conclusion to the Mono's hair mask that I did. So basically, I feel blessed to have these products because they help me a lot. My hair is still feeling really soft. I've been keeping up with my Jamaican mango and lime castor oil, so that actually helps a lot too. And then there's certain parts of my hair that I didn't like sticking up, that I remembered I had the Mono's hair leave-in styler, so I used that to slick down parts of my hair that were sticking up too much that I didn't like. And the thing about that is, not like a gel where you can like slick your hair back with it, but it definitely, like if there is a curl that won't stay down, you can just definitely take a little bit and then put it in your hair. If you don't know what I'm talking about this. And if you want to see my review on that one, you can watch my other video. But we're here to talk about these right here. And I don't know, I feel like I said everything. I feel like I said everything that I need to say about it. You know what I mean? It's really good at what it does. It exceeds my expectations, like the first product I tried. It does wonders for my hair, especially the damaged parts. And honestly, I cannot wait till all my hair is healthy virgin hair again, so I can use it on that and have just like these amazing, shiny, beautiful curls. You know what I mean? Because like, It just does that. It makes me happy that I know I have a product that just does amazing things for my hair. And this is not an ad. I promise you, this is not an ad. This is like a genuine review. I'm not getting any money for this. So you trust me. It did amazing things for my hair. If you guys know, I still have like 2-3 inches of damage left. I think it was two. I love how I can never remember numbers. Is that a thing now? It's a thing now that I can never remember numbers. But it's true. I approve. This is 100% KT Raina approved. Okay. If you guys are struggling with moisture in your hair, I definitely recommend it. If your hair does not stay in place the way you want it, I definitely recommend it. And if you just want an amazing product, I definitely recommend it. So, without further ado, this is the end of the video. Please leave a like, subscribe, and comment. Turn on the bell notification so you know whenever I or Kayla have a video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!